Hello children, how are you doing? I hope all are fine and doing fine. Okay, and I am Nurjahan and today I am going to take your introduction class for 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard. Subject is mathematics. Okay, and here what we are doing today is we are just going for the basic mathematics. Means you all very familiar with numbers, right? And here in a 4th, 5th and 6th standard you are coming across some topics. Now I will note down what are the topics you are coming across and what you are studying in 4th, 5th, 6th mathematics. They are like you people have already know the numbers, right? Numbers, you know, here you are going to study the know the numbers means like you people already know 1 2 3, like up to hundreds, thousands, lakhs, and here also you are going to study in the Indian system and international system. Okay, and the next you are going to study is after numbers, and now you are going to study that is fraction and decimals. And I hope already you people have studied about the numbers and calculation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here in fractions and decimals also you are doing, like you are doing the addition problems, subtraction problems, multiplication problems as well as the division problems. Okay, and after that here your people are studying some of the geometry part. You are studying like in geometry in 4th and 5th you people are studying some shapes and patterns, shapes and patterns, and after that you people are studying about the some money, like you people are studying about how you people are getting the profit and loss, and that you are going to study the money chapter. And after that you people are studying some time and temperature problems, temperature problems. And next one will be that is you people are studying some of the problems on mensuration. Mensuration, here you are going to study about the different shapes you will be studied in a previous class, right? And here you are going to study the area, perimeter, and some in the 6th standard maybe you are going to study about the volume. Maybe you are going to study the volume. Okay, shall we proceed towards some introduction class about the numbers? Okay, here we'll study, that is first one I am going for the numbers. Means everyone knows the numbers, like you people have studied the number system, right? First we are coming across the Indian number system as well as the international number system here, and place value chart also you will study here, that one by one I will go. Here numbers means that is the place value chart will be there, place value chart. Okay, here what we are going to study is for the Indian system. I will be saying, like if people are counting the numbers, right? Like if people are saying, if I have written 4 6 5 0, here you are saying, not only you are saying 4 6 5 0, can you read like this? No, you people are saying that it is a 4650, means that is you are putting the each and every number in a place value. That I will be writing here, that is the place value chart. Here you people are studying the place value chart, that is first place will be ones place, that is the place of the numbers you are studying here, tens place and hundreds place and thousands place, and here you are going to study 10,000 and lakhs. lakhs, crores, 10 crore. Like that, normally we Indian people are studying the numbers in like this. We are writing, okay. And after it is called as the Indian system of numbers. Okay. One more is there, that is international system. International. We are going to study in international. That is for each and everything we will be studying the ones place, tens, thousands. Okay. Sorry. Here it will be coming same as the, that is hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and here it will come 10,000s. Okay, and again we will be writing here, not after 10,000, here we have shifted towards the lakhs, right? But here we are writing as a 100,000, 100,000. And after that, here millions will come, here millions will come, and here 10 millions will come, and here 100 millions will come. 100 millions will come. Okay. And I hope everything is visible here. This is the thing you are going to do in your number system. That is a more on large numbers. Means how you people are extending the number, that is going to be a large, right? That you people are putting in a place value chart, like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. That is a Indian system. The same way, internationally, how we are using numbers, that will be coming like ones, tens, hundreds. Up to this will, they are same. But after that, you are going to write as thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. For example, take it as 46543210. Okay. Here in an Indian system, we are writing as a first three places we are living, and after that one place, and after that two place. Okay. If the number is there, then it will continue as the same form, 2 digits. But in an international system, the same number will be written as first you are living for the 3 digits you are living, okay, and after that again 3 digits, and after that you are writing again 3 digits. Means in international 3 digits you are making the grouping, but in our Indian system we are making as a 3, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, like this you are going to study the number system. Okay, the next you are going to study is about the fractions. What do you mean by fractions? Fractions means you are going to study about the numbers you are writing in a ratio form, like P by Q. Means you are writing in a numerator and denominator form. Means you are studying these things in fractions. Okay, here numerator and denominator. Here what you are going to get, usually you people have studied the numbers 4, 5, 6, 10, thousands, like you have studied. Here in a fractions, all the numbers are there in P by Q form. That means numerator as well as denominator form, like this: 3 by 4, 2 by 7. Okay, in this again we are studying the 3 different types of the fraction, that is like fraction, and unlike fractions, and mixed fractions. They are the type where the like fractions always the denominator is greater than numerator. Means always numerator is less and denominator is more. And here in unlike fraction, then the denominator is less and numerator is more. And the next one, mixed fraction, we are writing in a whole form, that is 2 plus 2, 1 by 2, like like this. This is called as a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. These mixed fraction can also be converted into the unlike fractions to solve the problems. Here, in what you are doing in fractions is all the like, unlike and mixed fractions we are using for the that is mathematical operations. What operation I am talking? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, if the 3 by 4 can be added to the 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Okay, here 4 and 4 are there, so we are not going to take the LCM, we are directly adding, that is 4, because both are same. If the both are different, then we are going to do the calculation, that is we are taking the LCM. Okay, and after that 4 here there, so we are directly adding 4. 3 plus 5 is 8 by 4, and here it is divisible by 4 ones are 4 twos are, the answer will be 2. Answer will be 2. For example, if the denominators are other things like 2 by 6, 2 by 4 sorry, and 2 by 3 by 9. Here don't I am not taking the 9 here, I will be taking 8. Okay, here we are taking 4 and 8. Both are there. Take the LCM of both. Here in a 2 table we are going to study 2, 4 and 8 are there, or you can take directly 4 also. Here 2 2s are 2 4s are, and again 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now again it is not completed because it is 2 here there. So again 2 1s are. How much? The here we are multiplying for the LCM, that is 2 into 2 into 2. How much? We are getting the LCM of both is 8. Now here 4 is there, but where LCM is 8. Then we are multiplying with 2 because we have to need to get the value as the 8, right? 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are. For the numerator we are multiplying. Here after going to multiply, what we left with? Now multiplication is there for the numerator part. 2 2s are 4. Now we remain with the next part, that is addition. 3 1s are 3. Now our answer is just add that, we are getting the 7 by 8. 7 by 8. Here I have shown you only addition. The same way we are going to do the subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. And the next one is after fraction. We are going to study about the decimals. Decimals. Easily we can remember is we are writing the numbers in a point system. Means you already studied 4, 3, 2. This is number. If you are writing it decimal, then all the numerator will be in a decimals, like in a tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, like that. Here I am taking 100. 432 divided by 100, it will be become 4.32. Now this is the decimal form. 2 places I am leaving, that is ones place and tens place, and the point is present in a 100 place. Okay, and then if 2 by 10 is there, then the decimal form, this is a fraction form, right? Fraction form, because it is in a ratio form, that is p by q. But here we are converting that into decimal, that is 0.2. Because the place value for that is tens place, and 2 is a ones place, and the point will be in a tens place. Okay. After this, we are again going to study the addition, subtraction, multiplication, okay, and division for the decimals also. Here, what I am doing, first one I am showing. Here, the decimals I am directly giving 4.36 plus 2.71. If they are asking you to do the sum, if they are asking you to do the add them up, what you are doing? Just keep it 4.36. Next point will be on the same, the below the point, and next one we are remaining with the 2 and 7 1. Okay. If 0 I am giving here, 0 I have to write. Okay. Now add. 0 will be 0, 6 and 1 will be 7, 7 plus 3 will be 10. So 1 carry will be goes here. Now 4 plus 2, 6, 1 carry is there, 7. Okay, and the point will be coming the same. Okay. point will be coming. Now our answer is 7.070. 7.070. The same way we are going to do for the additions. I have shown you. Same for the subtraction, multiplication and division part we are going to study. After that some portion is there, percentage. I will be saying here itself percentage. Percentage means to the numerator will be always in 100 place, like 46 divided by 100. Okay. Then if they are asking you write 46 percentage, then we are writing as a 0.46. That will be 46 divided by 100. Fraction form, decimal form and percentage form. Okay. Percentage is also there. Here also conversation will be there. Conversation from decimals to percentage will be there, and percentage to decimals will be there. Here also you are going to do some problems in a percentage also. And after that you are going to study about some geometry, means basic geometry. What do you mean by line, points, and again you are going to study the rectangles, square, circle. Here also you are going to study, and some mathematical, like I said you, the mensuration. Mensuration means you are going to calculate the area of that rectangle, area and the perimeter of that, and volume. Means I will show you, if it is a rectangle, then it will be having a length and breadth. For this we are going to calculate the area using the formula, that is area will be always two-dimensional, that is length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. And for perimeter is here length is, if they are given in your centimeter and the breadth will be also in a centimeter, then its unit will be centimeter square. If they have given length in meter and breadth in meter, then unit will be meter square, centimeter square or meter square. And perimeter means the circumferential length you are taking, the length of the circumference, where the area you have taken the only the length means product of the two length, that is length and breadth. Here you are going to take the circumferential sum. Okay, here also breadth will be there, length will be there, that is L plus B, L plus B. We are adding here, we are multiplying. It is a product and it is a sum. And here it will be 2L plus 2B. Because all the meters we are adding, so meter will be, unit will be meter or centimeter. Centimeter. And the volume part will be there. Here, if the rectangle is three-dimensional, one more quantity will be going to add, that is, here it is a length, and here it is a breadth, and here it is a height. So here L into B into H. If it is in a three-dimensional, then it will be centimeter cube or meter cube. Okay, these are the things you are going to study in your geometry part. Means using the formula you have to solve the things. And after that you are going to study about the time and temperature. Time and temperature means today the temperature is 24 degrees centigrade. Consider time and temperature. Here first today I am taking about the temperature. Okay, here in temperature we are having two scales, that is degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Two types, and one more is there, degree Fahrenheit. For you people, degree Fahrenheit will be negligible, only you are having degree Celsius and degree Kelvin. Means here in temperature we are going to study the Celsius as well as the Kelvin scale. Here our body temperature normally is 37 degree centigrade, right? And here also you are going to study using the mathematical formula, you are going to find out the temperature. And the time means here you are in a day, what are the things you are having? Seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, years. In a day you are having seconds, minutes, hours, and day, month, years in a whole year. right? Here the conversation will be there, conversion of seconds to minutes, minutes to hours, hours to days, days to months, months to year. Means here also some calculation part is there. We can't go very less things. We will study in detail those time and temperature. And after that, what you people are studying is, that is symmetry and pattern. Means you people have studied some pattern, right? In childhood you have studied, right? Every child has coming across the LKG and UKG, they have said you, if one petal is there, they will be given, and second, one more petal will be they given. They say you to continue the next one. What will be the next figure will be? That will be the three petals. Three petals. This is some pattern. This is having some pattern. And symmetry means if one butterfly is there. Okay. If they are asking you to draw the symmetry part this side, then you are going to draw, that is completing the picture by drawing the symmetry pattern. Okay, the same way you are going to study the symmetry and patterns. Okay, I hope you people will enjoy studying the mathematics with your drawings and with the calculation. I hope you people will enjoy the mathematics with mathematics subject with us. I hope you people take care and taking care and take the care of your family, and please attend the online classes, because education is very important. Don't spoil by only using the mobiles. Use mobile for the classes and use your knowledge. Okay, study well. Thank you.